We are going to be sealing the gaps all around the garage. So this is what I done yesterday. There was as you can see, there was a fair gap from the garage door seal, and yeah, that was done more or less in the morning yesterday. It's cured now, and I'll be using Sikaflex Pro in a sausage style, which gives you a lot more coverage for the price, which I haven't done yet. So you got quite big gaps there. I need to fill that up with something, bring it up more to the surface. The other one had expansion rubber, so that wasn't necessary, but a couple of spots here really need. I've run the wire brush along the edge to clean up most of the loose stuff, and I'm using tape to give me a straight edge. We've got here the door into the garage has, you know, loose mortar, so I'm just tacking it up to the stairs, which yeah, so I blew out all the dust with a compressor, so I'm ready to use the Sikaflex to start sealing. We're going to need some tools. This is to just wipe off. I also need some paper towels to for my hands. A couple of different spatulas. Tape. Soapy water. And once we actually smooth it, we are going to dust it with a bit of sand. Just gently, we're going to dust it like so to give us the sandy look. This is what's left from this Sikaflex Pro sand color. Yeah, this is the leftover, and you can see that it's pretty elastic, so it's got plenty of expansion suitable for this type of thing. Okay, so let's prepare. Okay, this one is turning out much better. I've using oil, which I actually got here, to wet my finger, and then I'm putting some sand on my finger, and I can even run it like that. I just finished putting it on, and seems to be working quite well. I also put a bit of sand on the outer side here, so I can actually, so it doesn't stick to my finger anymore. and that seems to be working much easier. Finish this in a very short time. Okay, you can just let that dry, but just to show you. And so we keep going. As you can see, that's a reasonably neat job. So we'll keep going and finish off. Thanks for watching.